Welcome to our new series of DIY guides. This is part 1 and we're going to be looking at hammer drills, what you get for your money. We've got a selection of different drills that we're going to test and show you the difference from a basic percussion drill all the way through to an SDS Plus drill.
First we started drilling into standard brick. Which one will win? Will they all succeed? And first in, the budget drill. Before we get going, the biggest problem with budget drills is the chuck slipping. So first select a hammer function and next select a masonry drill bit. Masonry bits can be easily identified by the top cutting flat flange, which is normally hardened. And 8.3 seconds. Tip 1. Drill masonry at a slower speed, starting off even slower. Move the drill in and out to clear the flute of any debris. And number 2, the budget battery drill. Time for a short interlude. Are we there yet? Not quite. "18 seconds. Tip 2. You can use a nail or something sharp to make a small indentation before you start drilling. And in at number 3, the mid-range battery drill. 9.5 seconds. And coming up over the summer, how not to move a shed. But we'll be showing you how to lay a shed base. Oh dear. And finally, the SDS Plus hammer drill. Look at that go, 4 seconds. So in at number 1 was the SDS drill. No surprise there really. SDS and SDS Plus drills have special drills that lock into the chuck. This allows more of the hammer action to pass right to the tip of the drill. SDS and SDS Plus bits are interchangeable. A lot of SDS drills also have a chiseling function. This one's ideal for light chiseling, such as render. This hammer drill has a far stronger hammer function and is ideal for breaking up concrete. It's a little heavy for regular drilling though. And now we tried drilling into a concrete slab to see what the difference was. In 4th place was the budget drill at 44 seconds. And in a 3rd place at 15 seconds was the mid-range drill. And in a 2nd at 13 seconds was the budget 244 hammer drill. And in at number 1 again at 4 seconds was the SDS battery drill. And the winner again was the SDS drills. But all the drills did accomplish the task. SDS is always going to be better for drilling larger holes or drilling into concrete, where it's a clear winner. Tip 3. When drilling a single brick wall, especially using an SDS drill, use minimum force and a slow speed as you get through the brick, otherwise you can blow the back of the brick off. Tip 4. When drilling larger holes, especially with a percussion drill, start off with a smaller drill and move up to the larger drill. Tip 5. Drill a slightly deeper hole than the raw plug length. Plus you can use tape as a depth gauge. And tip 6. Replace those cheap raw plugs that come with products with better quality raw plugs, like these.